Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Angular directives. Okay, Angular providing many predefined directives. In that we are going to discuss about few directives. Okay, Angular directives are nothing but classes that add additional behavior to elements in our Angular applications. It added the additional behavior to our Angular applications. Okay, types of when coming to types of directives. Okay, component directives, structural directives, attribute directives. These are three types of directives we have in Angular. Okay, yesterday in last videos we have seen about component directives. We have created many components and how to use it. A template design we have seen. Okay. Structural directive. When coming to structural directive, it add or removes an element on document. On document, whenever we have loaded that HTML page, right, we call it as DOM document. At runtime, it is add some features and remove some features. That is the nature of structural directive. Okay, to add or remove an elements and document at runtime, we can use the structural directives. For example, ngIf, ngFor, ngSwitch. These are the examples for structural directives. Of examples we can see it later. Okay, today we'll discuss about ngIf, structural directive. Okay, next attribute directives to change the behavior of HTML element. Last video we have seen two-way data binding. ng model we have used. Okay, that is the example of attribute directives. Okay, next what is the features of directives, what we can use, where we can use change. We can use the directives to change the appearance or behavior of an element, component or another directives. Whenever we add the directive, changes the behavior of that element. Okay, change the DOM element by adding or removing the DOM elements. Add additional behavior to your templates. Repeat nodes for each item in a list. Okay, ngFor, ngSwitch. It repeating that nodes, right? That switch cases we'll use. We'll see examples in later videos. Today we'll see about ng, if and if else conditions. Okay. Yes, ng if to display or remove element on document based on condition. Based on given condition, it will display the element on DOM or removes the element on DOM by using ng if condition. We can add like that. Okay, multiple structural directives we can't apply on a single element. At a time we can apply only one structural directive on one element. Okay, syntax div star ngIf. Structural directive starts with star. Okay, I think ngIf star ngIf, we need to add condition here, then div close. We'll see one example so that you can get more about ngIf. Okay, I will create one example so that you can understand more about this. cd backspace ng new project. If example I am creating --, skip install. To avoid installing node modules, we need to add this condition. Okay, enter. Routing not required for us. Okay, so our project is created with the name if example. Okay, cd space if example ng. Yes, I'm running this project also. Okay, Yes, project is running with 4200 port, localhost colon 4200. Yes, we need to open our project in Visual Studio Code. Open folder, if example, our project, this one just now we have created. Control P is a shortcut to search a file, app.component.html. I'm removing, I'm displaying hi just. We need to verify, right? Yeah, hi is displaying. Okay, fine. Here, welcome not required. In app.component.ts, I'm adding a variable called temp. Okay, type is boolean false. I am taking, okay, temp boolean equal to false. I'll use that temp here. Okay, to display temp variable here, we need to use expression. In last video we have seen. Okay, temp false we given, right? See, this false value it is displaying here. Okay, see, div star ngIf temp variable name I am giving here. Okay, I am providing some message. Welcome to Thiru Academy. Right? We will see what is the output. I think here hi false only it is displaying. Other than that nothing it is displaying. Here we have written one div. Right? Some message. Welcome to Thiru Academy. Why it is not displaying? Why? Because temp value is false. If we place true here, it will display welcome to Thiru Academy. No, I don't want like that. It is false only. I'll create one button here. When I click on that button, it needs to be display. Okay. For that, I'm taking one input type button. Okay. Value. Click I am giving. Okay, see here button is there, right? When I click on this button, click button, it needs to be display here. Welcome to Thiru Academy, like that. Okay, what we can do here we need to give click event. Click is the event here. Okay, temp, right? Temp equal to true. I am providing here. See, when I click on here, it is displaying welcome to Thiru Academy. Okay, when I click on again on this button, it needs to be collapse. I mean, it needs to be disabled. What we need to do here, instead of true, I am providing not TMP. I mean false value I am providing. Initially it is false, then true. Temp value become true when we click on first time here. When we click on first time it becomes true, right? Again when we click on that it became false. Like that I have provided here. Okay, see, I am refreshing this page. When we click on this it became true. Displaying message welcome to Thiru Academy. When I click on again, it is becoming as false and message also gone. Like this we'll use ngIf. Okay, we'll see one more example which I have already written. I'll show you. Yes, see, this is a old project, right? We need to kill this one and again We'll run ngIf project. Yes. Yes, project is running. We'll see. Wait 1 second. Don't go with this. Now, see. Look at this. Yeah, login is displaying, right? In app.component.ts, I have provided two variables. Forget about flag now. Only discuss about temp. Okay, temp boolean variable I have given false. How we are using temp value? If you can observe, you can find it. Okay, input type one button. One is registration and one more is login button. Right? If you observe, it is showing registration and login. Same div condition ngIf we are providing for one registration and one for login. Okay, when we click on this registration button, registration will needs to be display. When we click on that login button, login needs to be display. For that purpose, here click is the event, right? For registration we have taken like temp equal to true. For login, temp equal to false, simply. Okay, same here ngIf equal to for registration true, right? Whenever temp is true, we need to display registration. Otherwise means when temp is false, we need to display login. By default, temp is false, so initially we need to display login. See here, same it is displaying, right? Initially it is displaying login only. When we click on registration, this becomes true. So registration is displaying here. Again, when we click on login, it becomes false. Temp becomes, it is displaying login. See, observing, right? How we are changing the temp value in if condition. Okay. I'm coming to else if else, sorry, not else if. That's also possible. We'll see in further videos. Okay, when coming to ng if and else, yes, when we will go with if else, we have two conditions. If it is true, we'll go with if, otherwise we have to go with else. In that situation, we'll go with if else, right? See here, in same example, flag variable I have taken flag boolean equal to true. We'll remove this so that you can understand more. Okay, initially flag is true. Come here, if flag true. If it is true, we need to display if block. Else, for displaying or for writing else, ng template is the tag. We compulsory we need to display, write it in ng template tag. This is the else div is the reference variable for else block. Okay, we need to call like hash else if, like this we need to call. See, when we place mouse cursor here, it is displaying reference else div. It is saying, okay, this is the reference variable name. We can provide any name here. Same variable name we need to provide here. Okay. Yes, else div I have taken. For if else, syntax is this: div ng if condition colon else and else name of that reference variable, else div reference variable we need to provide like this. Okay, if flag is true, we need to display if, otherwise we need to display else block. This application is already running, right? I'm opening in browser. If block it is showing. Why? Because flag is true. If it is false, it will display else block. Okay, based on that condition what we have provided in TS file, based on that flag value we are displaying either if block or else block. Okay, if we change this to true, again it will display if block. Understand, right, about ngIf structural directive. Okay, if you really understand this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want more Angular videos, please let me know in comment box. Thank you for watching.